I'm here to introduce you to a new and old product that we have. This is the Melville Wall. So a couple of years back, if some of you recall, we introduced the Tandem Wall, which was the ashlar front, which was a texture front. Now we're introducing the Melville Wall, which is a smooth, modern looking product. Gives you some versatility, so you can use this product for those traditional backyards, and the Melville will be for that sleek, modern looking style that the customers are looking for. The nice thing I want to talk about, the opportunities with Melville and the Tandem, is the versatility of it. You can utilize it in barbecues, outdoor patios, steps, planters, barbecue pits, bars, and retaining walls and garden walls. So you can expand that backyard for that customer. You can do it in stages. You can do it over a couple of years, or complete their backyard with one beautiful looking stone. Now I want to show you the components and how they can benefit you and make your job easier as a contractor or designer to put this together. And let me show you these components. So this is the Melville Wall I'm going to show you. So we start with the Ustart Block. This is for leveling. As you can see, you have components to the Tandem or Melville Wall. Great idea to use this Ustart Block. You can do your base, level it out completely, and then you have your crew just laying the block. Very simple, makes for quick wall design and layouts. So that's your Ustart Block. Also use it on any retaining walls or any other garden walls that you work with. It's a very versatile product, and again, it can benefit you in the speed of building a wall. Second component is the face. So this is the Melville Wall face unit. So as you can see, just put it down. Once you have your base leveled, you have your Ustart Block leveled, put your face down, and then you get your modular block. This is the connector block. And then you slide that in to the grooves, just like that. Take your second block and slide that in. So it's usually two modular blocks per front panel. Now the nice thing about the Tandem Wall is you've got a complete finished corner here. So there's no need for any extra corners, any extra additional units. So 20% of the units on the pallet are a completely finished end. So what you do is you take your clips and you slide those clips in to your modular block. Take your dead blow hammer, pound them down like that, and then you just slide your corner unit. So now you have a complete finished corner unit. Now if you want to do a garden wall, gravity wall with no batter on it, all you have to do is put the next modular block on. So you'd put the face on first, put the modular block in, take your unit, your connector, slide it down, and just give it a twist. Now if you want to do a battered wall, as I mentioned, you can do a 2.5 degree battered wall. If you're doing some retaining wall, you reverse the clip. You'll put the clip in the bottom one first, slide that clip in there, put that in, and just give it a twist. And then that gives you your 2.5 degree batter.
Excavate at least 19 inches deep. The excavated area should always be 6 inches wider on all sides. After installing a geotextile membrane, spread 12 inches of crushed stone 0¾ inch by layer of 2 or 4 inches at a time. Then level and compact. Install the Tandem Next starter units. Install the Tandem Next structural units. To obtain a constant height between each step, you must bury 90 millimeters of the first row of tandem next wall. Once the first row is completed, install the veneers and insert the connectors one side at a time. The veneers in front should slide in the tenon into the structural units. Fill the cavities with clean stone if necessary. Apply beads of concrete adhesive to secure the first steps. Install a Melville 90 mm step, leaving 1 inch for the overhang. Install the veneers in the back of the step as a riser. Slide the tandem next structural units into the riser. Continue by sliding the rest of the structural modules. Repeat the previous steps up to the 4th step. The tandem next structural units must be cut at the last row of the 2 last levels. Your steps with tandem next wall is now complete. Excavate area at least 19 inches deep. The excavated area should always be 6 inches wider on all sides. After installing a geotextile membrane, spread 12 inches of crushed stone 0¾ inch by layer of 2 to 4 inches at a time. Then level and compact. Install the tandem next starter units. To ensure maximum stability, you must bury 90 millimeters of the first row of tandem next wall. In this video, we will start with the installation of the corner. Install the first tandem next structural units. To secure the corner, it is recommended to insert connectors to connect the structural units. You will notice that on one side, the veneers are slid into the structural units. On the other side, install the veneers and insert the connectors. Install the structural units to the length of wall desired. To finish both ends of the wall, you must cut a veneer at 10½ inches. Make sure to hide the cut side. Fill the cavities with clean stone. Apply beads of concrete adhesive to secure the structural unit as well as the veneers. Repeat the previous steps up to the 3rd row.
So that basically is the system on the tandem wall. Very straightforward, easy to work with, saves you time putting together any type of project in that backyard. We're looking forward to seeing any of your projects that you do with the Tandem Melville Wall or the Tandem Ashlar Wall. Please give us a call or send us your pictures, and thank you very much for your time.